Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm here with my daughter and my niece, and we're going to do a triple turkey pour. So they're each going to fill up bowls with whatever colors they want, and then we will get started. All of the paints are mixed with floetrol and water. Get this out of the way. Go for it. So fill it up, yeah, about 3/4. And then I'm going to give you a glove so we can do the next part.
I don't need a glove.
That is turquoise. So over here we have Artist Loft Turquoise. This is Folkart Gold.
Folkart Gold. That's a cool name for gold.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Then this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Blue. This is Arteza Iridescent Paint. The peach one.
Where's the...
Alright. That's also Arteza Iridescent. Ooh, that's fun. I've been using a lot of the Arteza iridescent colors. Do you guys know what iridescent means?
Nope.
Well, these are basically, they're metallic paints, but in different lights, they shine actually like a different color.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it looks yellow, but then in another light, it may look pink or whatever, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, it's a shiny black.
Yeah.
Like a galaxy black.
Yep. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up at this point so that they can just take their time filling these cups up, and then we'll be back.
We're going pretty fast though.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put a little more in. So how I do is I kind of go like back and forth like this, but really you can do it as however you want. Just try to get it even, okay? And don't forget my hand too. There you go. Doesn't it feel weird?
Yeah. Oh well, I think I got it a little bit uneven.
It's okay. Here, I'm going to flip this over here just so it can drain.
Damn, I got some paint on me.
It happens.
Oh, it's so fabulous. I got a painty hand.
Alright, is your cup empty? I feel like we might have not quite enough paint in the middle. You guys.
My thumb's twitching.
Alright. Good. So now go ahead and just pull straight up. And then you can, oh sorry, Sarah. Just wipe any excess paint off on the sides.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Can I put my hand back down?
No.
Damn.
Alright, you can go ahead and take your glove off. Okay.
Sarah would be like, I don't want to take my glove off.
And then I'm going to go ahead and tilt. Just throw it there for now. Alright, take your glove off, babe.
Sarah's like, no. I'm just going to finish squeezing this.
Okay. I'm just filling in the spots here. It was a little hard to tell how much paint we used because we had the prior paint spill. But I think we should have enough on here.
I got it in the other plate.
Yep. Okay, babe. Take your glove off, please.
I like Sarah's side better.
I like that pink in there. It's pretty.
How did I get it on the other side?
I don't know.
I know I also got it on the other side.
Talent. I tell you.
Who's going to keep the painting?
Me.
Oh, this isn't fair. Yeah, I think your daughter should keep it.
Yeah, mine.
Mm-hmm.
So I knocked something off the table.
Can I?
What?
I put the glove.
Just set it down right there. It's fine.
Sarah, come
No, it's fine. Just leave it right there. It's perfect. Thank you. Ooh.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Such odd colors.
I know, but they still work perfectly together.
Like how these ones are like the lines down and mine's like ooh, ooh,
Yeah.
ooh. And then right here it's just like going cray.
So depending on how evenly they're poured, you'll get the hand marks even more. This was poured very, very unevenly, so we didn't really get the fingers in there as much as we would normally, but
Can't we
still,
just like put our hand back in or something?
no, but still really cool. So let's let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll come back in for our close-up. All right, we're back. Not much changing. Definitely in love with the lines in this one. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting in the lower right-hand corner. So you can kind of get the idea of the hands that were in here. But here's the middle. And then over here to the upper left-hand corner. You used a lot of, I guess you started with the gold in there. So that probably got you a lot of that green. Super cool. What's your favorite part?
I kind of like this edge right here.
Mm-hmm.
The edges over here.
Yeah, that's
and then
cool.
I really like this area over here because it's like so rainbow. But I also really like up here because it's like the blue, the pink, the white, and a little bit of black over here. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Not beautiful, but beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Definitely a fun family activity. And hopefully some of you have tried this since my last turkey pour video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you all next time.